He's standing so innocent. He looks so innocent. Guy, yeah, we're looking. Yeah, you're so good. You look so good. Wow. Good morning. How are you all, guys? It's been a few days also, guys, since I uploaded the video. So, Jaden, no, it's still early. Still early for that. I will turn down the chair first, guys, because my little boy here for sure will be climbing again using this. So, Jaden, say good morning. Good morning. Goedemorgen, guys. Come on. Goedemorgen. So, guys, I tried to relax for a few days. I didn't upload for a few days because I really was so tired during our game. So, I told myself I have to relax also. I hope you understand, guys, that sometimes, you know, you're coming to the point of your life that you also want to relax and yeah. So I hope you're still gonna watch our videos. So guys, I'm slicing vegetables, guys. I'm going to make a lumpia. So the carrots that Sally got are really small. And I'm still going to make my own wrapper, actually. I'm crying, guys. I'm crying because of so much onion. So I am going to prepare already, guys, my my vegetables and this meat, so it can still cool down before after I'm done making my wrapper. Hi, boy. So guys, these are my lumpia wrapper. Because, you know guys, maybe you're wondering that I can also buy in the store, but I choose to make my own because it's really different, guys. Because in the stores that they are selling here, they don't sell it like this. They are usually selling from maybe from China. I don't know, made by Chinese people, and you know they are so good at making wrappers, but that really really thin one. But it's not how they make this. It's not how the way we make it in the Philippines. You know that we are making it through fire. Some of them they are making it I can explain. There it seems like. So guys, I'm now going to rub my lumpias. I'm here at the back, guys, and Jaden is in front. Oh. Jaden got my position. Jaden, yeah, he got promotion.
We decorated or
And I just hung my wash because I washed some clothes earlier, and I'm having headache. So Jaden is already in his bed. So Sadie brought him to bed actually, because Jaden has no problem at all. He will just sleep directly. We only have to bring him there, and he will sleep because tomorrow he has to be early again because he has to go to school. Look at my pomelo, guys. I got it from the Jumbo store here. We got two actually, and we already opened one of it. I opened this actually yesterday, so we're not done eating it. So I'm gonna eat it right now with some vinegar. So guys, let's eat some pomelo. Let's eat pomelo, guys, and while I'm watching my series, I will watch in Jaden's tablet. It's for Jaden actually, and he already broke it. There's already, look, it's already broken. You're still gonna drink coffee?
Yes.
Really? Say hello.
What?
Say hello. Mm.
Are you alright? Oh. Oh yeah.
We're not we don't have vlogs for a few days, I think. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It will be 5 days without vlogs. I have to relax my mind, guys, because what is it? I'm not feeling well, also Sadie.
Yeah.
So
Steady now.
yeah, okay, babe. So guys, this is what I'm watching. Historical drama. So I'm going to keep on watching my series, guys, and I will end my vlog here now. And so guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to give us a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless us all. Thank you for our new subscribers. Thank you, and I hope you keep on supporting us. Bye bye. Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Hey. So bye, guys.